Occasionally, when you pull in a CSV, you might come across this problem. So I'm going to go open this up. I'm going to pull in a CSV. I open it up. It's delimited. I can see it's commas. So I'm going to say it's commas. And when I say finish, even though I specified the commas, you can see it hasn't done its job. Basically, it's still split like this. Now, this might happen when you've got a new computer or some setting has changed. But if you get it into this format, don't try and do it again. Quite simply, just highlight that new column, go to data, and reuse the text to column. So this is effectively the same tool. So we're going to say it's delimited. When I say next, now when I go comma, you'll notice you can see it's actually recognized the commas as a delimiter. And now when I go, a couple of more options, but I'm just going to say finish. And you'll see it has now split it. So occasionally, if the CSV import doesn't seem to work, it puts it into one column. Just rerun the process using the text to columns tool.